The handle is drifting again. Let's talk about the waist stick. Let's install the soldering iron, joystick, and screwdriver. Let's start repairing it. Just prepare something to pry it up. It's very simple. There is a clip here. Clip it. Clip this clip, and then bend it here to open it. Be sure to pay attention to the cable. The cable here is easy to break. Pay attention. There is a stage cable here. It is easy to break. Be careful. Then put the battery in. Pay attention. There is also a microphone cable here. Be careful. Then there are 2 screws here. Pay attention. There is another cable here. Then we can take it off. Don't forget to remove the cables of the motors on both sides. Then we are ready to start disassembling the joystick. Pay attention here. Players with poor hands-on skills must not try it. Don't try it. You must find a professional. Okay, let's continue. The most troublesome thing about stepping on the waist stick is the thickness. Let's continue. For example, if the suction point is small, we will treat it as a drum beat. Otherwise, it will be difficult to disassemble. Finally, it is disassembled. After disassembling it, we will use this W to spray a little on the dead man and brush him around. After brushing it, install this boss and test it. Let's install this side and this side. After installing it, don't rush to weld. Let's try it first. Press the computer to test it first. The purpose of welding is to check whether the joystick in your hand is normal. If you install it without testing, if the joystick is broken, you have to disassemble it again. You must test it first and then weld it. After it is sucked, we start welding. If it is not sucked, then use a little flux to weld. There is no special requirement. Just weld it. After all are welded, let's start calibrating the joystick. Then let me talk about it here. Let's use this thing to calibrate it first. First, unplug this wire and then plug it in. Use this to do a basic calibration. This will be more popular. Then connect it. Then we have to calibrate the center of the joystick first. Follow his operation and start calibrating. He said, then go to the upper left corner, right? Both of our left foot sticks go to the left and back foot. You must take the upper right corner. Okay, this side is calibrated. Then let's wait a moment. The range of the joystick slowly rotates the joystick, right? Let's turn the left first. Turn the right, and then it's okay. This side has been installed. Let's disconnect it and use this to test it. It's basically accurate. It's still a little bit up, right? The left and right waist feels a little bit up, right? So let's pick the 2 on the left first, pinch the 2 holes with tweezers, and then gently chew down. And then the one on the right is also a little bit down, right? Adjust it here, and it's okay. If you are the cheaper one on the left, just pinch the 2 holes on the left and bend it to the left. If I am like this, if it floats like this, just pinch the 2 holes on the left and push it to the right. If it is like this, just pinch the 2 holes and push it to this side. If you don't understand, just ask me or check the tutorial yourself. After calibration, solder the motor wires, red on the bottom and black on the top. The red wire is at the bottom and the black wire is at the top. Let's not forget to install the wires of this motor. Red on the bottom and black on the top. After soldering, let's start the installation and put it back. Put the joystick cap back and then don't forget this. There is also this speaker in there. Put it back. This should be the speaker, right? This is the speaker. Put the speaker back. Just put it like this on this side, and then buckle it back and put it back. There's a cable here. There's a cable here. Be careful to pass it through this hole first. Okay, look at me. Install these two cables. Don't forget to install this one. Put this one here. Put it in this hole. Put it in here. Okay, then pinch it and insert it in. Tighten the screws of the motor. Tighten it, and then we put the battery on. Pay attention to the battery. This cable is particularly easy to shorten. You must be gentle. After installation, we will buckle the shell and test it. After installation, let's try it and there is no big problem. Then put the collar screws in and install the last two. There are two more screws at the end. Don't forget to install it. There are two more screws here. Just stick them on the face and buckle the last one. It's a simple installation. That's it. If you don't understand, you can look at the comment area or send me a private message. I am Zhu Jia. Follow me and show you more fun choices.